I am going to give an introduction to the cloud computing now. What is cloud computing? First question, why we have to use cloud computing? Let us see. Case 1. Write a file, save it, computer is down, file is lost. But files are always stored in cloud, never lost. That is why we are using clouds. Now case 2, use IE, download, install and use QQ, download, install and use C++, download, install and use, get the serve from the cloud. What is cloud and cloud computing? Cloud. Demand resources or services over internet scale and reliability of a data center is called cloud. What is cloud and cloud computing? Cloud, I already told you now. Cloud computing is a style of computing in which dynamically scalable and often visualized resources are provided as a serve over the internet. Users need not have the knowledge of expertise in or control over the technology infrastructure in the cloud that supports them. The architecture of the clouds. The architecture of the clouds, it contains, the cloud is somewhat, it is linked with the Google and Salesforce, Microsoft, Amazon, Yahoo, etc. like that. So this is the architecture of a cloud. And what are the characteristics of cloud computing? Virtual, software, databases, web servers, operating systems, storage and networking as virtual servers. On demand, add and subtract processors, memory, network bandwidth and storage. What are the type of cloud service? Cloud service contains basically three things: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. SaaS, SaaS, that means software as a service. PaaS, PaaS, platform as a service. IaaS, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So all these things you get in the form of a service. So that is cloud service. Software delivery model, let us see. Under the software delivery model, no hardware or software to manage is necessary. Service delivered through a browser. Customers use the service on demand. Instant scalability is possible. Examples. Your current CRM package is not managing the load, or you simply don't want to host in-house. Use a SaaS provider, that is service as a platform, such as Salesforce.com. Your email is hosted on Exchange server in your office and it is very slow. Outsource this using hosted Exchange. Now, platform delivery model. The platforms are built upon infrastructure which is very expensive. Estimating demand is not a science. Platform management is not a fun. So examples. You need to host a large file, say 5 MB, on your website and make it available for 35,000 users for only for 2 months duration. Use CloudFront from Amazon. You want to start storage services on your network for a large number of files and you do not have the storage capacity, use Amazon S3. So like this, cloud services are always possible and you need not spend for the platform, you need not spend for the service, you need not spend for any software like that. Next, let us talk about the computer infrastructure delivery model. A platform virtualization environment. Computing resources such as storing and processing capacity is possible. Virtualization taken up as a further step. Examples. You want to run a batch job but you don't have the infrastructure necessary to run it in a timely manner, use Amazon EC2. You want to host a website but only for few days, use FlexiScale. So like that, for every activity in cloud, you have service. So you are not investing anything on the infrastructure, you are not spending anything on the service